All this rain will stop as soon as I get my weather control shack, yeah, you bet.
One weather shack for Mr. Wally Walrus.
Oh, yoy. Rain, rain, go away. The Wally's gonna make the sun today. Sunny side coming up. Fun in the sun, here I come. It's working, it's working. One groovy Wally Walrus pool party coming up.
An invitation. Pool party at Wally's, yeah. No, pool party at Woody's, yeah. Sorry, pal. No uninvited guests.
I'll get you, Woodpecker. I showed that soiree stealing Woodpecker a thing or two.
Check me out, everybody. I'm gonna try a double half gainer. Ah! With a twist.
Now, where is that no-good party thief? Ah! Hey, everyone. Plenty of fun and sun over here. Yeah. It's a dance party.
What's that?
Those are Swedish meatballs. I boiled them myself. Care to bob for Swedish meatballs?
Ew, gross. Hey, you guys, why don't you come to a real swinging pool party?
Come on, let's go.
Hey, wait! Listen, you meddlesome fowl. Those are my party guests.
Cool down, Wally.
Woodpecker.
Now, I'll go get cleaned up, and I'll be back before you can say, who is that handsome Woodpecker?
Now that you're cleaned up, I'll help you dry off. Dry off. Once again, today will be sunny and beautiful in the Southland with the highs of 89 degrees in the valley and 92 degrees in the downtown area.
What the? Never saw a chicken coop where the chickens weren't a-squawking. You mind explaining what's going on here, buddy?
You destroyed my party, and now I'll destroy you. And now to shake things up a bit with a little earthquake.
No good, dirty. Ooh, look at all the pretty buttons. I hardly know where to start.
Oh, pure. Ooh, I shut him down, or my name is...
You throw the best parties. Here's my lift ticket, Woody.